Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best brokers for FTSE 100 UK. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Financial Times Stock Exchange 100 Index, more commonly known as the FTSE 100 Index, was established as a joint venture between the London Stock Exchange and the Financial Times in 1984. The FTSE is a popular traded market index, and it is a gauge of how businesses that are regulated by company law in the United Kingdom are performing. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best brokers for FTSE 100 UK can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best brokers for FTSE 100 UK. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Libertex. Libertex is an online Forex and CFD brokerage brand, which is the trading arm of Indication Investments Ltd, which is a part of the Forex Club Group. Libertex is regulated by the CySEC and was founded in 2014 and offers traders currency pairs, stocks, crypto assets, metals, indices, agricultural products, as well as oil and gas instruments. Featured platforms are available on the Libertex proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Libertex offers a demo account, a real account, and a professional account. In order to apply for a professional account, you will be required to meet the criteria provided. Their real accounts feature Gold, Gold Plus, Platinum, and VIP statuses. Libertex also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner lessons on getting started with trading, a variety of webinars that you can sign up to, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with Libertex. At number 4 on our list is eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and Social Trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. eToro trading accounts are offered on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their very own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. Coming in at number 3, we have Capital.com. Capital.com was established in 2016 and is a well-regulated and reputable market maker broker, headquartered in the United Kingdom. Capital.com has more than 360,000 registered Forex traders from around the world, with access to more than 2,000 tradable financial instruments that spread across several global financial markets. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex currency pairs, CFD trading, commodities, metals, stocks, oil, gold, and indices. Capital.com offers a variety of accounts for all types of traders, and clients also have the option of opening a demo account. You can open a standard, plus, or premier account, with spreads starting as low as 0.6 pips, no minimum deposits on the standard account, 1 to 30 leverage, and more. Platforms are provided on MetaTrader 4, the Capital.com mobile application and web trading platform, as well as TradingView, which are all available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Capital.com provides plenty of in-depth guides about trading different instruments, learning the basics of trading, as well as insights on trading psychology. Capital.com offers their clients a large number of helpful educational materials, which include 5 different beginner courses, numerous educational articles, webinars, and video tutorials if you are searching for any additional educational content with Capital.com. At number 2 on our list is Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with Avatrade. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best brokers for FTSE 100 UK, we have CMC Markets. CMC Markets has been in operation since 1989 and is one of the most reputable online brokers in the United Kingdom. CMC Markets is a multi-award-winning market maker that has regulation and authorization in several regions. CMC Markets is one of the few brokers that is listed on the London Stock Exchange, and throughout the years, the broker has become a leading and trusted provider of CFD financial instruments and spread betting options. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 9,000 tradable instruments, covering Forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, shares and treasuries. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, as well as their very own next-generation trading platform and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on CFD and corporate accounts, with no minimum deposits, lower spreads, access to over 9,000 products, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, customer support, and so much more. CMC Markets also provides their very own educational learning center, which includes beginner's guides to Forex trading and strategies, a variety of webinars you can sign up to, as well as a comprehensive list of trading ebooks for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with CMC Markets. And those are some of the top 5 best brokers for FTSE 100 UK on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.